think I'm second best, someone that you could forget. Got me drinking that healing, sinking in this feeling. Leave me the time, giving me the signs of life. Making you clear that you're gonna leave me in the deep. Leave me the time, giving me the signs of life.
Pray that this light will carry on. I'll stay until you leave me drowning. I've slayed a couple demons in my day who don't know I can't be swayed. Oh no, beautiful lies dragging me under the table. Hell in her eyes, she wants to put me in a hole. Beautiful liar, holding me, I'm a neighbor. Bleeding me dry, she wants to devour my soul.
Fuck.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust.
Yo, chat, what's going on, baby? Welcome back to Wall Street Sessions. As you guys can see, it's a little late me here today, by myself. check the volume there. Guys, let me know if you guys can hear, if everything sounds good, if the music needs to be a little bit softer, otherwise if we are good. My boy Chris had to, my boy Chris had to quickly head out, go help some of the kids. So I am soloing today's one, guys. Again, nothing too much you have to be worried about. New York session, always a good one. We kind of used to the volatility at the moment, so nothing we need to really be scared of. But other than that, guys, I hope everything is going well. Just trying to see, guys, as I said, just let me know in the chat if everything is good. Just want to make sure the audio is fine. She's in that time massage, loose neck. I hope you guys are ready for this one. We are definitely going to navigate our way through this, so nothing to be too worried about. But again, before we get into stuff, guys, as you know, we will just open up with that prayer in the New York session. And then before we do anything else, we are going to get into it, right? So you can either, sounds pretty solid to me, Keeks. Okay, awesome, bro. So whether you guys want to close your eyes, have your eyes open, whatever you want to do, you can do that now. But as we start, our Father who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name. Thy kingdom come, thy will be done on earth as it is in heaven. Give us our daily bread and forgive us our trespasses as we forgive those who trespass against us. And lead us not into temptation, but deliver us from evil. For thine is the kingdom, the power, and the glory forever and ever. Amen. And all of those that believe say amen. Alright, guys, so if we have more than two amens, he is with us. We know we are sorted for this session. There we go, guys. We got Neil and Kyle and Woodsy. You guys are all there, so there we go. We are good to go. So that is all kickstarted, yeah, guys. So what are we going to be looking for in this session? I think we are a little bit late, unfortunately. Sorry, guys. We had to get to some content stuff, though it's a bit urgent to come out, so we had to finish that up. But we are good to go, guys. So quick, gonna run through everything with you guys, and then we're gonna get into it. So very, very simple. I don't know if you guys can tell me, is the 2Gs thing loading, or is it just like instant changes? That's a bit weird. But yeah, what's it? I can't even think what it's called now. That loading screen. Keys, on a serious note, does Chris have 2 markable accounts on Discord? Lawrence, no, he doesn't. Only the one. So the other one is probably a scam account, my man. Just watch out. But only the one account. So what are we looking at for the day, guys? If we start off here on Discord, very, very simple. Started with DX. Why is the song restarting? Why are we restarting the song? So if we look over here now, DXY, as you said, coming back down for that gap fill almost. There, got the gap fill. Trading back down, holding Asia lows at EQ and daily pivot, and now we want to see it move back to the downside. As you said, we pretty much are bearish, but we just want to see that move up here. If it even got to the weekly pivot, fell a bit short, but there was your move back down afterwards. So again, we are going to be looking for those sells or weaker dollar, we can call it that way. So let's just go over to the indices. Nasdaq, we spoke to you guys, just be careful. We're going to have the big move up here to the weekly pivot and the monthly R1. Keep in mind there's the monthly R1, so quite a massive zone. You've basically got your Asia lows untested, just one momentum, so we are very much bullish, but you do just want to be careful of a possible pullback to these weak Asia lows, daily pivot EQ. But again, as I've said to you guys before, when that daily pivot EQ becomes in the middle of Asia highs, Asia lows, very good chance you're going to see a nice trending day. When we are bullish, you guys can see this. We always talk about it, that could be your found support. So very, very simple. We are going to go bullish to take that back. So if that is the case, this is going to be a trending day, as we spoke about. Keep in mind, during this form, we did fail to take out that high, and the next one did reject off the R1. So that's why we are saying don't want to jump the gun too early, but we are seeing a bit of a neutral outlook, if you want to call it that, on Nasdaq. US study, on the other hand, very, very a lot more bullish. The 4 hour, there's your continuation candle. There's not much of a bottom wick, but there is one over there. Obviously taking out that previous daily high and turning around. So that's something we do want to take note of. But again, also holding this level. So you can almost see this like a little bit of a zone, a little lower area over here, which we held. There was your retest and still holding it over here. So good chance on market open. 2 things are going to happen. Market open can either wick into the zone if it gets there before, and then go bullish as we spoke about. Otherwise, if it starts breaking down, very good chance you can have the sells off here very, very quickly. For those that don't know, if you may be new, I am still doing my R&D, a new strategy on US study. I'm forward testing on the markets with you guys. So that R&D trade I will be taking with you guys, so you can see how that plays out. Then on gold, we again going to be looking here. We spoke to you this morning. We wanted the buys over here, never got the bottom wick in the retest. Again, technically we had this zone marked out. It's actually the 30-minute highs, which it pulled back to, held perfectly and went. But honestly, I wasn't watching the charts at 11:45. And then again, previous daily highs pulling back to Asia highs. So technically that is your breakaway retest. So we are bullish. So again, this can also continue bullish after that. This has been your little pullback on the 4 hour, rejecting it, but still looking very, very strong with momentum on the higher time frame to continue bullish. So pretty much across the board, guys, we are bullish against the weaker dollar. So we're going to be looking out for that. So that is for the outlook. As I said to you guys, I will also be having a look here, getting ready to take that R&D trade on the testing account, so you guys will see that live as well. But that will probably be the first thing we get into very, very shortly. So we'll see how that looks here on the 1 minute. If you, as I said, you guys haven't been around for a while, you'll know what's going on there. But that is pretty much it, guys. So I just want to get everything locked in here. There we go. All right. Let's see what's gonna happen here, guys. I'll say just getting everything ready here quickly. But still early days here today, guys. Still nice and early days here for us. Just confirm some stuff here. Alright. Okay, let's see here, chat, what everyone's saying. Volfan to give us a 1 week holiday with the indices. It's a fake account giving yo no more pink PFP. Hey, the man changed. Nah, bro, you didn't have to change it, my man. It was good, brother. Was babysitting doctor all weekend, bro. Kinda not kinda looking for Seth Rogen's own brother on that picture. Hey. Yo, the 1 minute strat. Hey guys, you know the 1 minute strat coming out. What's up, my man? What's up, Ben? Sure, bro. Weather had me tied down, but pretty much just playing games. Zaza with the booker, pretty much easy king. With the bookie. Hey. All right. Yeah. Okay. We're getting ready for the market open, guys. So we're gonna see what we're looking out for. Where's our little horn? Let's see what's gonna happen today, guys. I hope you guys are ready for this one. And hey, we got Mr. Kyle James in the building, Chad. Mr. Kyle James. How you doing, brother? There we go. Alright, Chad. Let's see what's gonna happen here. Let's see what we can lock in here for US study today. Wagwan, bro. Hey, Wagwan. Alright, bro. I must take it easy after the draw. But that's it, guys. Round 2 for the weeks. Let's get started, baby. Markets are open and fight. Let's see what happens here, guys. Let's see what happens. Markets open up quite volatile here straight off the bat. Let's see here, guys. Let's see. Yeah, guys, check out this thing go. Look at that thing go.
Burning the bridge that keeps us. I'm here and I'm feeling exaggerated, that's what you assume. The story's over now, I must conclude. I am conflicted, watching where I step still, hanging in the balance now.
Just watching your chat, watching very carefully, quickly. Still no entry on it yet, guys. No entry as of yet. Still waiting for an entry, guys. So we're gonna see what happens here. When does ultimate trade start? It's starting today, guys. They're just busy starting with some of the finance things, on the finance, the compliance stuff at the end, just sorting out the admin side of it. Yeah, US City just clapping the guys right here now. That thing's just bringing the pain. Yeah, we still aren't in yet, guys. I'll tell you when that R&D trade gets in. Keep in mind, I know people might think I'm a little crazy with this R&D trade, but remember, guys, it's a new mechanical strategy we are testing, so yeah, there's reasons I'll take the trade where it is now, but again, there's certain things still have to happen, so until those things happen, I can't enter. So still waiting, yeah. See what happens. Looks like we're gonna get entry here soon, guys. Yeah, hopefully we'll be getting entry soon here now. Alright, guys, so technically that for the entry criteria becomes the first entry point. You aim for your 1 to 3. Remember, this is an R&D trade, guys, so it's very, very mechanical. So we'll see what happens there now. see what this thing does today, guys. Let's see. This thing smashing a nice little TP here for us. Yeah, these 1 minute time frames are they're another ball game. These things don't know what they want to do. I mean, yes, guys, you're looking at that, it's like what is that trying to show you? Obviously, yeah, that previous daily high and that daily R1 starting to get in the way, but still looking very, very good. Trade looks like it can close out very, very soon for us. Let's see what this thing can do here, guys. Let's see. Oof, this thing's battling at that previous daily high. That's battling a bit there, Chad. Keys after, let's just see music is pumping at the moment. Yeah, bro, I don't know what plays this compared to the different ones. It's the same like people we listen to, but I don't know what's different now. Brad, Obia, Raj, Hot, Keys, have you got a new funded or personal capital? Not seen on the Discord. Andre, if you're in remember I said on the call last night, remember it's not a new one. I had a new from last week, but it has to be linked. So I will link it soon for you guys. So it will be linked soon, my brother. It will be linked soon. Come on, Chad. Let's just see this thing go over the line here. A nice quick 3R trade. Let's just see this thing go. Start the week strong, baby. Starting the week strong, yeah. Yo. Chad, for everyone else, I'll say go break even on this though. Just go break even. It is basically there. We don't want to have unnecessary risk here. So let's just go. Can't place a trade on Vault Funder. Yes, my brother, they're doing maintenance. So if you're trading with Vault Funder at the moment, unfortunately, yeah, they're busy with maintenance for the servers. Yeah. Loving the Blade music, lol. Remember, you guys, closing your happy with the profit. It's an R&D, 100%, guys. Please remember, keep in mind, this is 3R. So technically 2R. I'd even say if you're happy with that, close out there where it was now. That's 60 pips. I personally close out. That's a 2R trade. That's double than normal. So please, this is part of the strategy. Maybe 3 is too much. We start closing out all the 2s because a lot of time it hits the 2s. That's part of the strategy. So please, guys, if you are happy, close out on the trade. Otherwise, this for me is happy to take a break even. Check your WhatsApp. Need to see your action on stream. Oh my boy. Hey, what did you do, brother? What did you do? Oh, hold on. Bro, you didn't. You didn't, my boy. Oh my word, my brother. Nah, my boy. Congrats, my brother. Much love for you, my G. All the best. You utterly deserve it, bro. You beat me to it. I was looking at September, so maybe November to get my one. So you beat me to it. So we'll be matching then. But absolutely love it, my boy. Massive congratulations, my man. Much love, bro. Hey, nah, big ups to you, my boy. Big ups to you, my brother. Nah, but it's dope, bro. It's dope. I love seeing my people win, guys. Love seeing them win. Nah, I appreciate it, my brother. I really appreciate it. I'll see maybe tonight, my bro. I'll try to give you a call if you're free. We can have a catch up, bro. I know I said last time as well, but then I actually got caught up on a Lawrence call with G. Because me and him also had to have a catch up. So there we go. That's break even on that trade there, guys. So that is the R&D trade out over there. You guys can see where it played out. There, that's what happened. So personally for me with US30, I will lock that out now. So we're gonna move over to. Yo, this music is loud today, guys. We'll move over to gold, see what we can catch over here now. But yeah, so as I said, guys, if you have been paying attention with the US 30 strat, that thing is running actually very nicely on that account. Definitely doing quite well. So let's just see what's gonna happen. Yeah, gold probably what we're gonna keep our eyes on, locked up for today. We've been talking about it, bro. I know nah, but it's so simple, bro. We'll chat more about it, obviously. Just try keeping it low key. It's hard when I think most of my community knows me, so yeah, I think they'll really start guessing. But big ups, my boy. I'll definitely give you a call tonight, even a video call maybe, so I can see the beast, and we can chat, boy. But again, much love, bro. Massive congrats, my man. But let's see here, guys. So DXY holding these lows. We just want to take note of this, guys. Obviously, there's quite a few areas. Yeah, we're seeing obviously massive body closures here, but we're seeing a lot of wick rejection. So at the same time, that already tells a story. We just want to keep an eye to what's happening there. Nasdaq still pretty much holding that weekly pivot, so not giving that up as of yet. And US 30 doing the most here. So US 30, as I say, guys, you look at the higher time frame, I mean, not really doing much, but when you're doing trade on that 1 minute, things get a bit crazy. So we're just gonna see what happens over there, and we'll take it there. But yeah, already looking good. As I say, personally, that's the break even there. We won't even look at anything else. Definitely think this thing's still going to run. When you consider that's just the previous daily high, daily R1, you're going to have some pullbacks off that, holding that 200. So as I say, we break even on it. the strategy technically is meant to be TP or stop loss. So I actually broke a bit of a rule on that. But I mean, even then, if you had a 30 pip stop, like, you still technically would have been in anyway. But yeah, so we'll just see what that does. But gold, as I say, guys, the main focus for me right now. We get any type of nice break above this. Personally, I'm going to start looking for that continuation. So we're going to keep our eyes out for that. We want to see DXY just not fail a bit, but that is the plan. I'll reveal soon, just finishing everything up. Nah, bro, I'm keen to see it. I'm keen to see it. Very, very stoked. Appreciate you guys. Mad love. That's the thing is, guys, I always say to people, when your circle or your community can't appreciate or be happy to see you winning, you must know there's a problem. I love to see my family win. I love to see my team, my mates, my loved ones. I love to see all those close to me. Love to see them killing it, because it motivates me at the same time as well to do better, to up my game, keep pushing, because it reminds me, it shows me that I know, for example, like someone like Kyle, I know the man works hard. I know he puts the effort in, and the results show. So it starts to show you that things are always possible. And again, just that upfront motivation. We always can say there's guys that can motivate you. For example, we can just say something like Usain Bolt. Usain Bolt's work rate is insane. But you don't know the guy, you don't meet him, you can't really connect. But when you know the guy personally, you can phone, you can chat about their life, how tired they are, but they're pushing through, they're doing things. And you actually have that person that's close to you, they can hold you accountable, and you guys can drive together. That's was a game changer. So love seeing my mates win, because it just motivates us all to go to the top together. Keith's going to come and hop by the end of the year. Yeah, bro, it's a big goal for me, but yeah, end of the year. I made the sacrifices end of last year, and actually turned mine down for other, if I want to say, more adult reasons. Had to rather focus on doing some other things first. But the sacrifices have been made. The time will come. It's going to come soon. So we're locking in. Okay, DXY really coming back here, guys. So personally, I don't like that too much for the gold bars. We want to also note the 15-minute shuffle has ended, guys. So again, guys, I know he will when he said there's end of the reveal soon. I think he just shared with me. Obviously, I think even my reaction, and because you guys know me, maybe gave away a bit too much. But yeah, he's gonna be on it. So when he's ready, guys, he'll, I think, share it with all of you. It's not my place to share something that man's achievements, guys. So when he's ready, he'll do it. Priorities first, 100%. There are way more than enough money for all of us in this life. Always be happy for your mates, 100%. Huge motivator, honestly. There we go. Exactly, Slashy. Exactly, bro. Alright, there we go. DXY starting to turn around a bit. We're going to look over here, guys. I said those bar continuations. See what we can get in here. I'm not entering here, guys. I just want to see if we kind of get around by those highs. A 30 pip would be nice because it's under those lows. So we'll just have to see here. Bro, this is like the most YouTuber song out there. I think any YouTuber I watch, they've had this song in there somewhere in their time. So guys, even from your side, as I say, obviously I do the stuff myself, I do everything like that, but I honestly want to know from your guys where you are looking at for example, that USD strat at the moment that I'm developing. What do you guys think about it so far? Things that maybe stand out to you automatically, that maybe should be some changes. Things I should maybe take into mind, whether it's adapting the stop, adapting the TP, Obviously, you guys don't know really the entry criteria behind it, but from what you can see or maybe notice, what are something you guys are thinking about it? Yeah, so that's why I even mentioned it now, bro. I was thinking about it last week. There were two of them where we told you guys to close down a 2R and technically close 2R, and that would have been TPs. Today was another 2R. So it is definitely looking like a 1 to 2 is actually a very nice target for it. The 1 to 3, like honestly in the back testing, the 1 to 3s were hitting often, but I think funny enough, yes, that's bigger RR. 1 to 2 is still a positive R at the end of the day. But if you are hitting that 1 to 2, I think you're still making the difference. So yeah, personally, yeah, I think it definitely could be a game changer. One thing I notice every time when you say guys go break even, then the trade turns around. So maybe adjust TP. You know, that's true, bro. But that's what I'm saying, because a lot of the time where we see the trades play out now. So personally, I must say, so let me also break it down here. If you consider how far back ago when I started the testing, like I've been going back for like 2 weeks. So let's even just say this was this week, so last week, okay? The 1 to 2s became better because much as it's a trending market, like even now, I'll tell you now, watch, at pullback bearish, we were on the wrong side, and later tonight or whatever, it's going to pop off and smash. So it's almost like I'm catching initial pushes, then there's almost a reversal, that manipulation move, and then the distribution. So where it was doing those 1 to 3s was, if you see, yeah, that was the Monday. It was the week before. That week before was a ranging market. Check it out. So it wasn't a trendy market, it was a ranging. So it almost looks like the strategy works very, very well in a ranging market. Does still close off more positive RR in a trending market. But maybe I must adjust it when we're trending. So these are naturally, for anyone when you guys are building strategies and stuff like that, these are things you should start noticing, journaling, taking notes of. Because why I said this, watch now, for example, if this thing doesn't reverse all the way down, and you know what, I'm on the wrong side. If it does something like this, even gets the Asia half, for example, and now turns around, and there comes the big bar off later on, then you know what, cool, I was wrong. But I was right, but as I say, I had the manipulation, then the distribution. So we're just going to see what happens here. Maybe we just TP to 1 to 2 and then not close there, perhaps with stop loss on that level and just trail to 1 to 3. That's something you can look at. Chad, oh, there we go, the G's in the building. What did I see? I watched the whole last week. I think the 1 to 2 will work much better, much more often. Yeah, that's even for me, guys. That's the thing. You don't put the ego aside. You look at it and you're taking what is the thing, because you want to obviously make it better. Chris watching the live. Boss lady trying to sell US30, but MT5 says only market closing. Guys, there's maintenance on all of the indice pairs, so please, you guys will not be able to trade the indices basically for this week. So there is maintenance on. There was an email that went out, so if it's on your email, check your junk mail. But there was an email that was sent out to notify the clients. Use this guy TG straight. So we'll see. But as I say, guys, it is things even I'm taking notes of, because you want to obviously improve it. That's why it's still in the testing phase. Yeah. DXY, we want to see that bit of a pullback. Once we start getting that in, these gold bars definitely start to look good. Yeah, for me. 10 pip TP. 10 pip TP, guys. These guys aren't missing. They hit about 6 TPs there now in that trade. Keeks, I think just put in the chat about the maintenance. Okay, yeah, that's actually a good point. Vault, Thunder. There we go. It is pinned, so people can see that now. There. Keys. Do you don't mind streaming alone? You guys should look at your individual performances when each of you stream alone and compare. Why though, brother? What do you mean? When you say our individual performance, as in, for example, performance as trade performance, or performance as like stream performance? What are we monitoring? If 1 to 2 gives you 60 pips, that's decent. Yeah, well, that's the thing. Like, it's a 30 pips, so 1 to 3 is 90 pips. So obviously, yeah, 1 to 2 is 60 pips. Keys, any news on new funded accounts? What's wrong with the funded accounts, brother? Yeah, don't tell me this thing's gonna run now without us, guys. If there's a problem, my man, just message support so they can sort you out, brother. That's quite weird that you can't buy a new account. What's the XY doing? There we go. That's that fall apart we want. Come on, gold. Don't do this to us. Oh, I mean, we could do that, but personally, I don't see like a point in it. But we could do that. Steven will get back to you shortly. Oh, there you go, my man. Chris will sort you out. Yeah, guys. Is gold honestly gonna run away from us? That's gonna do it to us, guys. It's gonna do it to us. I might. Personally, guys, I might even still take the trade now above this previous daily high. Purely because, obviously, we broke it previously, came back down, held this level of support. Asia highs as support, now breaking with a lot more momentum. I might take it, but we want to see a push. If we don't see that push, I'll kill the trade a lot sooner. But we're just going to see. So, going to be a very aggressive trade, but we'll see what we can get on here. Purely also we have that DXY playing along now, so as I say, something I might look at, but it is a more aggressive entry. We can see in the higher time frames giving us that confirmation, so we're just gonna have to be careful here, see if we can get it right. We get that close over here, guys, then I'm gonna look at going along here. Where's my account? Alright, we get a close here, guys. I'm gonna go for the long, just have a heads up there. Oh, don't continue to run now. This is making it a bit hard, guys. Oh, that's making it a bit hard for me. You know, we're going to take it, but we're going to... alright, already gave me a bit of a better entry on that drop, because it was afterwards. And we're going to take a 30 pip stop here, guys. 30 pip stop. So that's why, just to give us that space, as I say, if we don't start running, then very, very quickly we can kill the trade. There we go, looking good here, guys. But as I say, if it doesn't start running, be very, very aggressive for us, we're going to kill this trade very quickly. Just so you can see, that will be the 1-to-1 over there. A 30 pip trade. But yeah, just very aggressive. But we just want to, as I said, see that run now from that previous daily high. So let's see what this thing does here for us. There we go. Yeah, still early days in the trade, but as I say, not liking it too much. But still early days here, guys. I'm just gonna adjust this so you guys can see my exact entry. 8-3. So there's my exact entry. So let me actually adjust my stop here. Yeah. And I said, if it battles to get away here, guys, we are going to kill it very, very quickly. DXY is starting to melt. I am liking that, but yeah, we just need to see what happens here. On Fridays, daily high. Yeah, no, bro, that's what I am. Yeah, previous daily high. That's what we were watching. That's why I said, guys, it actually was a more aggressive trade. There's a lot based on this, but purely because we've previously tested it, rejected, but held support, came back up with a lot more momentum this time, but our higher time frames confirming that break over here. So using the previous daily high, that there's our bar continuation. So yeah, just watching that bottom wick. So if we do start rejecting, I'm out of this trade. But if we can play along, I think it's a very solid trade. Yeah, we can get. But it's one of those that momentum needs to come quickly. Here we go, baby. Come on, Chad. Here we go. That's what we want to see, baby. That's what we want to see. That is what we want to see, Chad. Come on, baby. What I will still do, guys, if we even close like this, I'm happy with the trade. But I will even just bring the stop up even more. Ooh, if we close like that, guys. I don't want to be closing close to entry here. Like over here is okay, but I'll still said we'll bring that stop up. DXY fighting there. Yo. This thing's gonna make it tough for us, guys. Personally, I'm gonna have to kill it, guys. I'm killing it. I'm out. I'm out, guys. I killed it. This thing can run now. It can run, but I manage it. For me, that I don't like. Literally 5 pips stop, but I don't like the fact that that thing doesn't run. As I said to you, it's a volume trade, so the whole idea of if it's going to hold, that thing must move. we saw the potential of that trying to pop off there, and it not doing anything. So this thing can run now if it wants to run, but I am out of that trade, guys. So I will take my little 5 pips there, but I'm out. I'm gonna sit through that. DXY, still not exactly sure what it wants to do. Nasdaq, there we go, turning bullish. US 30 dropped down to the 200, it's on to hold the 200, so we'll keep an eye on that one. But we'll watch gold, we'll see what happens here. Did we make the right call? Was I a bit too early on it? Personally, I'm happy either way. But we'll see what happens here. Obviously on the 15, he's still deciding what it exactly wants to do. So personally, the 15 hasn't closed yet. But I'll say for me, closed bearish. It should have ran. It didn't do that. So that's fine with me. There it goes. Hey, can't catch them all. That's fine, guys. Literally Monday, still early days. So no, nothing I would have changed it when it comes to trade management. Do you think it's gonna run, Keegs? I'm still in. Bro, for personally, if it's gonna run, very good chance. There you go, Chad. Oh my flip. I was gonna say, just set your stops to break even, bro. Just go break even. And then yeah, you good. Just go break even, bro. Then easy, I'd say you could aim for that 20, 24. You don't aim for that daily R1. Very, very realistic target there. That deep side. Yeah. We knew there it guys. We knew it, guys. That was, you said 30 pips, so where's our... Yeah, it's 32 pips there. Yeah, you literally, there's TP now. There's TP. Oh my word, guys. You know, it's fun. It's fun. Clean trade. I appreciate it, man. Yeah. It's Monday, guys. I was gonna be greedy on it. It's good. I said still, I'm out. Yeah. Fairness, you know what? If I had to have changed anything, we technically held above the level. Closed bearish. Maybe I would have just moved my stop. But you know what? It's Monday. I don't want to start off on a bad book. So as much as it is, there'll always be another trade. Thanks, Keys, W's. Hey, as long as you guys caught it. How's it, Keeks? Sorry, work. Sorry, my boy, work be mad. No, crazy. Crazy. All good, bro. Yeah, the boys caught a W. I literally closed out for flipping 4 pips, and there the trade ran. So I missed the TP, and then the US 30 strat took a 2R trade. 60 pips on US30. So now, Keeks, your position was too heavy. As soon as you jumped out, you sent it. Yeah, David. Now, guys, if you guys caught it, you know what? At least you guys ate. I'm cool with that. If you guys at least got it, that's chilled. Yeah. But yeah, so Kyle, I hope you are out now, bro. I wouldn't. It can still run, 100%, but I wouldn't be greedy, bro. I'd close out there. Like I said, the TP literally was like yeah for me. 24.20 was just under the daily R1, so yeah, I would have closed out there. Blue Mondays. Hey, technically, I can have some of the results from the two are yeah, so still a winning day. The problem account's actually looking good, so I'm happy with that. I'm gonna focus, see what that thing can do. Really lock in for that one. Oof, I can just DX. Wow. It's DXY, I gotta come ruin the party. Let's see. Get a Nasdaq still also moving, yeah. I think this might just be that pullback on. As right now, it's the make or break for US study. Either it holds this and comes back, or that's the retest, and this thing is going right back down. Because not only remember we continued bullish, we gapped up, hold Asia lows, and just went bullish. So for this thing, not only is that the pullback, but now you got Asia highs to retest the breakout. You got Asia lows untested. You got day pivot EQ down there. So that can still be a very, very nice trade to the downside. DXY still chilling out there. Yeah, gold. As I said to the guys, I hope you guys didn't get too greedy. I mean, you closed out over there. Keys, my rule is when there is the reversal candle, I wait at least 1 minute before closing fully. Thanks on 40 pips. Hey, I'll look at it, bro. I'll look at it, but cheers, my man. Stay in those bars. Got my 1 to 2 W for the day. Hey, awesome, bro. Awesome. Chad is eating here today, guys. Chad eating here. Let's see, The doji bearish 5 candle held and closed respecting that level, so I was still happy to hold it. No, bro, that's what I'm saying. I still also was like, that's what I'm saying. In the long term, you could technically still hold it, maybe minimize stops, because even though it closed bearish, it didn't close under the zone, but still holding the previous daily high. So that's what I say. Technically, yes, things you can look at, but again, it's a Monday. I don't want to start off rough on a Monday, so could have made. I say, end of the day, I could have maybe over micromanaged it, but it's one trade, guys. You learn from it. You take in what happened here today. You bring it in as experience to the next one, and you make that work. Are you live every day? Your lives are so educational. Yeah, we're live every single day for London and New York session. Oh, so there we see the sales on gold, Nasdaq, DX are also selling off, but now we see in USD have a bit of its fight back. So yeah, that can just have then, as I said, been the retest. Now USD wants to pump. So just be careful there with that. Yeah, I love Monday to Friday, 8:30 and 3 p.m. That's it, guys. W stream though, Keegs. The info shared here is amazing. Gonna head off to gym. Enjoy the rest of the day, bro. Peace. Cheers, my man. Have a good gym session. Yeah, we're gonna probably wrap it up soon, guys. You know, as we say, we normally close about hoppers 4. And personally, I'm not gonna take another trade. Yeah, USD, the testing strat coming in clutch there. And then this session still looking very, very good, yeah, as well. So we'll just see what happens, yeah. But yeah, you know, we did what we could, managed the trade. Could have had a bit of a W here today, but the chat are the W, so you guys are still winners. That's what matters. I'm happy. So yeah, I think we'll give it a little bit, few more minutes, and then we'll get ready and start closing off for the day, guys. But for me, Monday, the fact there's some Monday blues, yeah, I think it's a good Monday, Chad. Nothing wrong with that. Nothing wrong with that, guys. Also, guys, just remember, obviously, Ultimate Trader entries have closed. We're going to be starting it soon. They're just trying to get we're meant to start today. Admins just sorting a few things out there that they had to get done because, yeah, people with their ears and eyes don't really work. So there's a few things that had to be corrected before they can hear from the coaches. Yeah, it might be a big one coming soon. We need to get from Shaq. If we don't hear from him soon, there might have to unfortunately be some updates there. But we'll keep you guys up to date with what happens there. And yeah, again, those will just be some changes. The show won't like stop or anything. There'll just be some changes made, and then we'll be moving forward. One else, but again, there is still the 40% discount, guys. Currently at Vault Funder, mid 40. So that is till the end of July. So make sure to make the most of that, guys. Definitely out there. And I know it just sounds like it's typical marketing things, but at the end of the day, with the area, the scene we currently are with, all of these funded engineer closing now, all those guys still being very uncertain about prop firms. Vault Funder is still not declining one single payout. All payouts going out, everything. Even the big boy, he got paid out last week. So no payouts till to date have been denied, not one. So get the most, join the winning team, and keep leveling up while we're at 40% off, guys. Why Shaq being so quiet, Geeks, bro? I don't know. I don't know if we did something. I don't know. That monk mode, the man doesn't answer his phone, bro. Are you Australian? No, my mate. We are South African. Keith just want to confirm something. Do you use wicks when marking out Asia highs and lows? No body closures. So that's the thing. On a 15, sometimes they might look like wicks, but it's body closures on the 5. So on the 5, yeah, you'll see it's body closures, DXY. Yeah, you'll see that it's body closures. So that one's actually a bit high, but yeah, body closures. AK, is possible entering gold at 24.18. What do you think? Fair value gap. I don't trade fair value gaps, brother. So if that's your entry, that's personally up to you. I don't use that. That's something for you to decide, my man. But Chad, obviously 2 trades given out there. We had the gold trade where you guys caught that, killed that, and then we had the US 30 hitting also nice. 2 are there. So definitely a blue Mondays for the boys. But I think that's gonna be it. Chris will be back tomorrow, guys. So don't stress. He will be again tomorrow. But it was good. Feels a little bit in a way like old times sitting here chatting with you guys. And we're going to see you guys soon. Keep them a lookout, guys. This is a big week. Obviously, the updates on the Ultimate Trader starting this week. So you guys will just keep an eye on your emails for that. Don't forget to check out 2Gs, guys. A lot of new content coming to 2Gs. We want to keep leveling it up. We want it to be one of the best communities in the business. So a lot of updates coming. We have the educational call on Wednesdays with you guys. And then Thursday, the 24-hour stream. You don't want to miss it. That's going to be a big one. A big one even in the industry. A lot going to be going on in that 24-hour stream. So we're going to see you guys on the other side. Peace and love. Thanks for tuning in, as always, guys. So take care of yourselves. Take care of each other. And don't forget to tell somebody you love them. Cheers, Chad.